Welcome to the video. In video I'll show you how to combine embedded system and automation system together. So it's useful for both field, embedded as well as automation. Okay, so let's start it. I'll just explain the some component used in this project. This one is a GSM module 900A. This one my microcontroller, and it's I use two type of relay. This one is 5-volt relay and this one is for 24 relays volt relay for the PLC. Those both relay are used to communication between PLC and microcontroller. 5-volt relay use communication between microcontroller and PLC when my microcontroller is used as a transmitter and PLC uses a receiver. And this one 24 relay is used for same communication between microcontroller and PLC, but in this time when my PLC uses a transmitter and my microcontroller uses a receiver. Okay, so first part is GSM. It gives some data or some message to my microcontroller give signal to PLC, and it's give signal to the plant. So in this one I'll just on and off my plant or this light from my mobile phone using keypad or smartphone without any mobile application. And second part is a switch, and those two light are connect with my PLC. So whenever my PLC is a trip using this switch, so I get one message to my mobile phone. So my PLC is trip and the red light is on, and behind the red light is I connect one buzzer, so it's give the buzz, and this one is for running my plant, or it's give message to my mobile phone my plant is running. You also control your plant through the SCADA system, and this SCADA system in your operating room with your plant, but it's a wired communication with your PLC. So it's a whole plant operate with wired as well as wireless. So using SCADA is operate with a wired system, and the GSM module is using wireless system. Okay, so let's start it. I'll just on and off my this light, this one, using my SCADA system. Just this button is on, and also give the indication my lights is on whenever I, and this for off. Okay, it's also give data over here for on and off. It's on, okay, and it's off. So let's start it. I'll just reset. Whenever my microcontroller and GSM is connected, I'll get one message to my mobile phone. Okay, this kind of welcome to world of embedded and automation. I'll set this message in my microcontroller programming. Okay. Whenever I trip it, okay, I get message to my mobile phone my plant is trip like this, and this light is on. Okay. Now I get the message my plant is trip, and second is plant is running. Now I'll on and off my plant using my mobile phone. So give one message on. I'll send this message to GSM. So my light is on, and also get message which number is sent this message, this one, and I also get back message to my mobile phone my lights is on like this. Check it, plants light on. Same for off, I'll just type it off, but make sure O is capital and O letter are small. Send to GSM. Same message and my plant's light is off. Okay, and I get back message to my phone, plant's light off. Again I give signal on and off, so just on and send it. The light is on, and same for off. Get back signal, light is off, on, this light is off, and also get the signal. And for plant trip and running, I also get it in my SCADA system, plant trip, plant running, those both message, and also get both message to my mobile phone. My plant is trip and my plant is running like this. Okay, so it's all my GSM based plant controlling system. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you have any doubt or query, ask me in a comment section.